Making money online is no longer a dream. It's a reality for millions of people around the world. With advancements in technology, the internet has opened countless opportunities for individuals to earn an income without needing a traditional job. Whether you are a student, stay-at-home parent, or someone looking for a side hustle, there are plenty of ways to earn money online with little to no investment. Many people assume that making money online requires technical skills, large investments, or years of experience. But the truth is anyone can get started today. You just need time, effort, and the right strategy. This guide will break down 10 proven methods that you can start today to earn a steady online income. Stay with me till the end because some of these strategies have the potential to make you $100 plus per day. Whether you're looking for passive income or an active online business, there's something here for you. 1. Freelancing. Get paid for your skills. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to earn money online. If you have any skills, such as writing, graphic design, web development, video editing, or social media management, you can offer them to clients worldwide. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and People Per Hour connect freelancers with businesses looking for their services. The best part? You don't need experience to get started. To start freelancing, create a strong profile on freelancing websites. Offer competitive pricing to attract initial clients. Deliver high-quality work and collect positive reviews. Increase your rates as you gain experience. Many freelancers make $500, $5,000 per month or more by offering their services online. It's one of the best ways to make money online if you have a skill and are willing to put in the effort. 2. Affiliate marketing. Earn commission for promoting products. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn money without creating your own products. In simple terms, you earn commissions by promoting other companies' products. Affiliate marketing works by signing up for an affiliate program like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Cherry Sale. You choose products that align with your interests, promote them through a blog, YouTube, or social media, and earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your link. Affiliate marketing requires patience, but once you build an audience, it can generate passive income for years. 3. Blogging. Make money writing about your passion. Blogging is one of the best ways to build an online business and create passive income. If you enjoy writing, starting a blog can be a great way to share knowledge and make money. You can earn through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts from brands, and selling your own digital products like ebooks, courses, and templates. Starting a blog is easy with platforms like WordPress, Blogger, or Wix. However, building a successful blog takes time and consistency. Once you have traffic, you can make $1,000, $10,000 plus per month depending on your niche. 4. YouTube. Create and monetize videos. If you love making videos, YouTube is a great platform to earn money online. Many YouTubers make thousands of dollars per month through ad revenue, sponsorships, and memberships. To monetize, you need to apply for the YouTube Partner Program, where you can earn from ads. Sponsorships with brands can also bring in extra income. And once you build a loyal audience, you can sell your own products or services. It takes time to grow a channel, but with consistent uploads and engaging content, YouTube can be an amazing long-term income source. 5. Dropshipping. Sell products without storing inventory. Dropshipping is a great way to make money online by selling products without handling inventory. You set up an online store, source products from suppliers, and ship them directly to customers without ever handling them yourself. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make setting up a store easy. To succeed in dropshipping, you need to choose the right niche, find reliable suppliers, and market your products effectively. Many dropshippers make thousands per month, and once your business is automated, it can become a solid source of passive income. 6. Print on demand. Sell custom products. Print on demand is similar to dropshipping, but instead of selling generic products, you create custom designs and sell them on items like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Websites like Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring allow you to upload your designs, and they handle printing and shipping for you. The key to success is finding a niche audience that loves unique designs. If you enjoy creating digital art, print on demand is a fantastic way to turn your creativity into income without any upfront investment. 7. Online tutoring. Teach and earn money. If you are good at a particular subject, online tutoring can be a great way to make money. Platforms like Vietpid, Chegg, and Wizant allow you to teach students from around the world. You don't need to be a certified teacher to start. If you have expertise in a subject like math, science, or languages, you can help students and earn money from home. You can also create your own courses on platforms like Udemy and Skillshare. Once you upload a course, you can keep making money without any extra work, creating passive income over time. 8. Stock photography. Sell your photos and videos. If you love photography or videography, you can make money by selling your photos online. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images pay contributors for their work. The best part about stock photography is that once you upload your photos, they can sell multiple times, earning you passive income. High-quality, in-demand images like landscapes, business themes, and lifestyle photos tend to perform best. 9. Social media management. Help businesses grow online. Businesses need help managing their social media presence, and you can get paid to do it. If you understand how platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter work, you can offer services like content creation, engagement, and ad management. You can find clients by networking on LinkedIn, reaching out to local businesses, or offering your services on freelancing sites. Many social media managers make $1,000, $5,000 per month by handling accounts for multiple clients. 10. Virtual assistant. Provide online administrative support. Many entrepreneurs and businesses need virtual assistants to help with tasks like email management, scheduling, and customer support. Virtual assistants are in high demand, and you can find work on sites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. As a virtual assistant, you can work from home, set your own schedule, and earn a steady income. With experience, you can charge higher rates and build a long-term career in this field. Making money online has never been easier. Whether you choose freelancing, affiliate marketing, blogging, YouTube, dropshipping, print on demand, online tutoring, stock photography, social media management, or becoming a virtual assistant, there are plenty of ways to generate an income from the internet. The key to success is consistency and dedication. Start with one method, learn the skills required, and scale up your earnings over time. Success won't happen overnight, but with patience and effort, you can build a sustainable online income and even achieve financial freedom. If this guide helped you, like and subscribe, and be sure to share it with others who might benefit. Keep exploring, keep growing, and most importantly, take action. Your journey to online success starts now.